Have you ever wondered about the most beautiful places to visit in Switzerland? It's a country that effortlessly stitches together patches of picture-perfect beauty, from the soaring Alpine peaks to the tranquil turquoise lakes, from the charming, historic cities to the quaint, idyllic villages. Switzerland has always been a magnet for travelers, with its unrivaled natural beauty and cultural richness. The country boasts a well-integrated transportation network, making it a breeze to explore. In recent years, Switzerland has made leaps in prioritizing sustainable travel, ensuring that tourism leaves a positive impact on the environment. But the question remains, where should one go when visiting this Alpine paradise? First on the list is Lucerne, a city that perfectly blends the old and the new. With its medieval architecture and modern facilities, it's the perfect starting point for any Swiss adventure. Then there's Zurich, Switzerland's largest city, known for its vibrant nightlife and rich history. Engelberg, a mountain village renowned for its outdoor activities, is a must-see for any adventures. St. Gallen, with its Baroque architecture and UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Abbey Library is a city that transports you back in time. Don't forget to visit the capital, Bern, with its medieval architecture and bear park. It truly is a city like no other. Geneva, the city of peace, is known for its Red Cross and Red Crescent Museum and the United Nations office. For those who want to experience the Swiss Alps at their finest, Zermatt is the place to be. Ticino, on the other hand, offers a taste of Italian flair in the heart of Switzerland. And last but not least, Vevey, a town that's a perfect blend of French finesse and Swiss efficiency, is home to the world-famous Nestlé headquarters. In more recent news, Basel has been highlighted by CNN Travel as an underrated European destination. Known for swimming in the Rhine, it offers a unique experience beyond the usual Swiss itinerary. Switzerland is a country that continues to enchant and captivate with its scenic beauty and cultural heritage. Whether you're a history buff, an outdoor enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates natural beauty, Switzerland has something to offer. To summarize, Switzerland is an alpine paradise that promises unrivaled natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and memorable experiences. From Lucerne to Vevey, each city and town offer unique experiences that cater to every traveler's taste. The country's commitment to sustainable travel ensures that your adventure leaves a positive impact on the environment. So next time you're dreaming of a European adventure, consider Switzerland. With its picturesque landscapes, charming villages, and vibrant cities, it's a destination that promises to leave you with memories that will last a lifetime.